Amid sexual harassment allegations against MJ Akbar, now MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has lashed out at the junior minister, and Modi's cabinet demanded that Akbar be sacked. Owaisi tweeted, and I quote from that now, "Horrible this perpetrator MJ Akbar, shame on you. And you stood in parliament during Triple Talaq bill and spoke about Muslim women's empowerment and to stop their exploitation. PMO India, sack this minister of yours if you truly believe in Beti Bachao." Asaduddin Owaisi now hitting out at MJ Akbar, asking the Prime Minister to intervene, saying that if the government is actually serious about the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Andolan that the Prime Minister himself had launched in 2014 from Haryana, then the government should sack MJ Akbar. We have Ashish who's with us this afternoon. Ashish, Owaisi now saying that the government should put its words into action. The Prime Minister spoke about Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. And now we've come to a situation where a sitting minister in the government has been accused of sexual harassment by 4 senior journalists.
Yes, Simi, you are absolutely right. While so far we have not got any statement from the ruling party as well as the government, the opposition is trending its gun. They are the opposition leader as well as MIM chief and MP of Hyderabad, Asaduddin Owaisi, has hit out on the government, and while he has used the word horrific, referring to the incident that alleged sexual harassment allegation on Union Minister. He also asked and he also requested the government of India and the BJP-led Prime Minister and Modi-led government to sack the Union Minister, because all these allegations are quite serious in nature. He also, the Hyderabad MP has also mentioned about that how government is very much promoting and very much keen, and it's kind of a flagship project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where his government is busy promoting a Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. But on the very other hand, contrary to the campaign, government's own minister, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's own minister, is facing now sexual harassment charges, and neither the party has come out and made any clarification or statement, nor the government has made out any clarification or statement on this whole allegation. So yes, this Me Too campaign is getting murkier day by day. We witnessed allegation on several senior journalists, several senior female journalists coming out and alleging a sexual harassment and several other kind of harassment to senior journalists. Now the allegation is one time very famous editor and now current Union Minister MJ Akbar.
Absolutely, Ashish. Thanks so much for that. MIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi also now asking MJ Akbar to be sacked.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.